Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to LGS. Okay, so seriously, I have tried twice now to upload a video, let me fix this, of my OFRA haul. I got the OFRA primer, which I just had in front of me. Oh, here it is. The OFRA primer, the Northern Lights primer. I am going to unbox my replacement Ipsy bag. That's what this video is about. But I just want to talk about this for a minute. So OFRA a week and a half ago had 35% off, and I had some points. So I used my points, I made an order, and believe me, I'm on a no-buy. All of it cost me like 10 bucks. If it wasn't for the 35% off, I wouldn't have made this order. But I really wanted to try their primer, which I do like. I like their primer. It's their foundation, and they have two kinds of foundation. They have a matte and a bigger bottle, and I believe this was more natural. I don't think it said luminous, but I think it was natural. This is where I'm just stuck, because when I apply the foundation, it's just a mess. It's a nasty mess when I apply this foundation. It goes dry, there's patches, it's like it doesn't blend out with a beauty blender. I tried it with a brush, that was a mess. It just looks terrible on my video, and I'm thinking it's a mess. So then I tried it. Anyways, I did the video, I walked out in my foyer where the natural light was, had some time for it to oxidize, and then I'm like, wait a minute, I think I like this foundation. It looks okay, it stayed on all day. What is going on? This foundation has me so confused. I cannot even give an honest review. I've tried a whole bunch of primers. I don't know what to say about this foundation. It is weird. It goes on weird. It goes on crappy. You think a dollar store foundation is better than this foundation, but then it oxidizes, and I'm like, okay, it's not that bad. I kind of like it. Once you get on your bronzer and your blush and blah, 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 you know? Make sure you prep with the spray, because it comes out looking really, really dry when you first put it on. And then, I don't know, it's like a few hours later, you look at it and you're like, wait a minute, it's still on. Somehow it all blended nicely. My skin doesn't look as dry, and it doesn't look as patchy. So I'm very confused. I don't know what to say about this foundation. Please let me know in the comments if you've ever tried it. This is the weirdest thing I've ever put on my face. All right. I also want to let you know that I always wondered about the OFRA eyeshadows, but they're so bloody expensive, I never bought it. I did this time with my points, only with my points, and because they had 35% off. I have to tell you, I thought there were 3 mattes in here. I honestly thought I had an eyeshadow palette with 3 mattes, but no, I didn't get an eyeshadow palette with 3 mattes, because it's talking about a palette that shimmers as much as it shines. Anyway, for those of you, if you're ever curious, and again, wait for a really good special, because I think this was either $59 or $69. I can't remember. Maybe it was on sale. I don't know, but I got 35% off. But OFRA eyeshadows are freaking, and these are all shimmers, but they are buttery. Like, look. They feel like butter on your hands. I got that one on my, up on my brow. I got that one out here, and that one kind of freaks me out because it's brown. But then when you look at it, it almost looks like it's gold. It's freaking me out. Then there's this beautiful shade right here, and I have this one on the inner corner of my eye. I have the first one here. Where did I put you? I think the first one I put in here on this part of my eye, and the last one, which is like a bronze, and because they're all shimmer, I put it right here on my crease. And again, I thought I had bought an eyeshadow with mattes, but I must have selected a different one. But these eyeshadows, oh my God, these shimmers are beautiful. And I'm assuming, you know, most times mattes are good, right? So if they have one with a matte, and you don't want to get this one, I got Signature Palette Radiant Eyes. I really thought there was a matte though, but they seem to be all like a satiny shimmer. They are gorgeous shadows. OFRA makes some wicked awesome shadows. if the rest, you know, or anything compared to this one, they are really, really well done. Really well done. This is going to be one of my, I think, one of my go-to pull-out palettes because I didn't have to wet my brush anything. It just went on like so smooth. I really, really like this OFRA eyeshadow. Okay, and then I got their whites. They were on sale, $3. I think they're originally $6. I do have a code for OFRA. They do have a mystery box. If you've never signed up before, I'll leave my link down below. You get $10 off. And yeah, like they're always having specials, which is great. And again, everybody loves the OFRA highlighter. You can't go wrong with the OFRA highlighter. Okay, so now that I said all that, we're going to get into my Ipsy bag. This is my Ipsy replacement bag. For July, they sent me out the wrong bag, if you guys remember. And they sent me the wrong bag, but they sent me the right add-ons, which was 3 lipsticks for Madison's birthday. So we're just going to pull out and see if they got this one correct. And I totally forgot. I got this last week and totally forgot I had it. Honest to God, I was so busy. I think I got it on Friday. I was so busy. Thursday or Friday. But I was supposed to receive, I remember, I was supposed to receive these 2 masks in the bag. And I have 2 of the masks. So again, this was the July bag. Cute little bag. It's nice and sturdy, which is great. Was there a card? No, there's no card, but I'm just going to pull it out. Okay, so I know I was supposed to get this, and I got this in the bag, and this is the bronzer. I'm just going to open up mine so I don't open up this box, because this is going across the pond to a dear friend, all of these items. All right, so that's what that looked like, and I've used it. I love the bronzer. I'm not too keen on a shimmer in my blush. I like a matte blush, but it's a really, really nice blush. Really pretty. You can use it as an eyeshadow. It was really nice. This was by Pacifica Beauty. So that was in the bag, and that's what was supposed to be in my bag. Then I got the Glam Glow Starter. What is this, a moisturizer? Nude Glow. Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I wonder why it says it's Nude Glow. Is it supposed to be like a tint, like a tinted moisturizer? That's what I'm assuming. So I got that. This was what I was excited about getting. It is the Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara. This one I'm going to keep because I have another mascara to put in this bag for my friend across the pond. But I've heard that this is really, really, really hard to get off. So I'm almost afraid to try this because I heard you had to put like oil on your eyelids to try to get this mascara off. It is so waterproof. But I do like the other Ico mascara, like this one here. I love that mascara, and I think I have another one, don't I? Yes, I do. So this is Ico Lash Alert. Love that one. And then there's Black Magic. I really like the Ico mascaras. But I'm a little bit scared of that waterproof one. So if you tried that waterproof mascara, please let me know in the comments down below. And I think, yeah, I got everything in the box because this is in the bag. This is the last thing I was supposed to get in the bag. And that was What's the Tea eyeshadow from The Balm, which is really good. I'm not going to swatch it. I don't know where my other one is. I think I gave it to Madison. I'm not sure. But a really good, The Balm has great eyeshadow, so it's a brown matte. Okay. And I also got, again, and I sent them an email saying I have the 3 add-ons. You don't need to send me out the 3 add-ons, but they sent them again. So I have the 3 lipsticks. I'm not going to swatch. They are going to go into the bag to my friend. So this one is the Smashbox one. And these were $3 a piece, the 3 add-ons. Ipsy is $10 US monthly, but if you're in Canada, I'm in Toronto, it's going to cost you about $20 Canadian a month for 5 items. And you never know, well, sometimes you can get full size. It's mostly deluxe size. I love this bag. And then they also have add-ons. So for those of you who are new to Ipsy, you want to be on your account the 2nd of every month. In the morning, between 7 and 8 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, I'm in Toronto. So usually around 7:30, they'll come out with your spoilers and your add-on options. your add-on options. You're only allowed to have 3 add-ons per account. You can have 3 full size, which is $12 US, 3 deluxe size, which is $3 US funds, or you can switch them up. I got 3 deluxe size, but they end up coming looking like full size. They're full size, right? And this is from Jolie Cosmetics in the shade Born My Way. No? Born in NYC, I think that's what it is. This is a very pretty lipstick. I like this color. This is more me. But like I said, this is my second time getting these lipsticks because they sent me the wrong bag, but they sent me the right add-on. So Madison picked out these lipsticks for her birthday. The last one is from Hola Neon in FOMO. I think this one was really bright. Let's open her up and see. Yeah, so it was like that, like a really, really bright color. So yeah, they sent me the right bag this time and all of the add-ons again. So, I mean, you know, I was kind of hoping that I wasn't going to get all the same items, you know, but oh well. The more, the merrier. And again, my friend is going to love all of these items. So that's it, everybody. Let me know if you were missing something for Ipsy. Did you get your replacement bag? And also, please let me know about this foundation from OFRA Cosmetics. Like, do you want me to upload a video? Because I'm so confused. I don't know how to review it. It's such a confusing foundation for me. Like I said, I love the eyeshadow. Oh my God. Their eyeshadows are amazing. Like, they are amazing, but they are freaking expensive, okay? Like, we're talking Pat McGrath prices, like really expensive. So I'm very happy I got that at a discount because I never would have gotten it. And I like the primer. They have like 3 or 4 different kinds of primer. Oh, I thought my video was stopped. I think they have 4 different kinds of primers, like $20 US. And I believe the foundation was either 20 or 25, but they do have a bigger size bottle, which is a matte as well. So yeah, that's it, everyone. Please don't forget to like my video. Don't forget my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you got an Ipsy bag from July, replacement, did you get it yet? You know, what do you think about OFRA? Have you ever tried their eyeshadows? And tell me how your day is going. Happy hump day, everybody. Oh, and let me know if you want me to do a review on the OFRA, because I don't know what to do with it. Like, it's got my brain messed up, seriously messed up. Don't know what to do. Don't forget to like my video, everybody. Bye.